Hey guys, today we are back with another video, and today we are hanging out with my friend Dana Leah, I think. No, wait. I'm just gonna call her Blueberry. I can't say your name prop, so I can't say your name prop, so I'm gonna call you Blueberry. Daniela, I think. Wait, I think it's Daniela. And if you don't hear me talking, I'm eating Laffy Taffy right now. Yum. Anyways, guys, speaking of candy, I really hope that you had a fabulous Halloween, you stayed safe, and you just had fun. That's all that matters when the holidays come around. It's just having fun. So that's a really important thing. Mm. But so yeah, we're just gonna you guys will see. Maybe you've seen this before, maybe you haven't. So, um, outro. So what you do is you go into the trailer from wherever you are, take the Varanus racetrack. More Laffy Taffy! And then you want to plan this out carefully. So watch where we go. We're gonna go take it slow so that you can actually watch where we go to see where this place is. So this mountain is actually the perfect level of steepness that you can actually run up it. See this black trail? And then look. Dun 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 dun. UFO, oh oh oh, UFO, UFO. Done. Trailer to Miss Fall. So basically done. Trailer to done. Now follow us. Oop. Station. Ranger Station. Okay, this is for her. Get more Halloween candy. LOL! LOL, more Halloween candy. I need Sugar Rush. More Laffy Taffy. Hey guys, did you know? Okay, so look, these jokes. What don't trees use, or why don't trees use the train? Don't know. They can never decide on a route. Get it? Route, like Route 95 or something like that, you know? Okay, and then what animal is the cow talking to? Don't know? The moose. Get it? Moose. Ranger Station. Ranger Station. More Laffy Taffy. appears. Oh, oh. I don't know what I'm doing.
Okay, so probably what happened was your fever spiked really high, and then it came back down, and that's what caused you to sweat. And that's also what caused you to talk and whatnot.
The fudge. Fudge, fudge, fudge. Get on the highest cliff. What? What would? What would? Huh? What? It went back there. Whoa! Whoa, bro! Let me. What? I never knew about this place. We have to end vid. Bye, guys. Stay safe and just again, please stay safe and have a wonderful time in life. I don't know what I'm saying. Bye bye.